What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at a job site where the house burned down. I'll show you here. The house burned down. All of the walls that were blocked were reused by the insurance company. Everything else is pretty much new, right? Well, obviously the slab, but we're talking about the ground up. So here we see the whole roof has just been redone, and now it's our turn to come in. Here you see we're putting in a new jack because the insurance company, they like to put what was originally there. They typically do not. I would have recommended a split system instead of a package unit, but insurance companies like to, install what was already there before, or a similar setup to what was done before. So we do that when the insurance company says that that's the only way that they'll send out a check. But just wanted to make this video essentially just letting y'all know, if you do HVAC and you are either own a company or inside of a company that isn't doing this yet, you should consider it, because these jobs, houses are burning down year round. Okay, yes, there is a little bit more of a season for it, but houses are burning down year round. So you will find yourself doing this work a lot of times when in the off season, where things may be a little slow for you, and it'll be, a good, nice project. Yes, if you don't have this, you should hire somebody. Or sorry, if you don't know this particular line of work, hire somebody who does do the, who does have experience with this. If not, then it's probably not such a good idea to get into something that you don't know, right? But I mean, you obviously can do it either way if you want to. And if you're outfitted for it, they typically don't pay out immediately. They typically take a little bit longer to pay than your average customer. So just wanted to make a quick video talking about that. We can go inside the house here real quick to show you what's all going on. Let me pause the video real quick. All right, so this is what the inside of the house. Now we put in all new ductwork. Flexible ductwork is what the insurance company wanted and was paying for. So that's what we gave them. They wanted new ductwork for the range hood. They wanted a new dryer venting as well. All new cans, because people don't know this. If you don't replace absolutely everything when the HVAC system or the fire has entered the HVAC system, if you don't replace the whole thing, even a little bit, even reusing the cans, the owners will always smell that charring or smoke smell. So you have to replace absolutely everything. So the system's gonna be new, the elbow, the jack, the cans, all the ductwork, everything is new. So here you can see the new plenum there at the top. You see that right there. New thermostat wire with a new thermostat, obviously. But that's not done till trim day, trim and startup day. So, yeah, that's pretty much what a reducting and rebuilding of a whole mechanical system looks like. All right, you guys aren't 100% done yet, but we are wrapping up the last couple exhaust fans. And then, we're gonna walk the job, see if there's anything that needs an extra strap to make sure nothing is kinked. And then also, if the insurance company is willing, we also do a duct pressure test. So, all right, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment. See you on the next one.